What's going on, guys? Derek Hayden with Crown DJs. I wanted to do a quick video to do a review of Fifine Technologies K025 wireless microphone. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the package that came in the mail. Ordered it from Amazon. And here it is. It's a really good looking microphone. It honestly doesn't feel like a $40 mic. I'll put it in there for a second because I'm outside doing this. Let's see what's inside. More cushioning. This is probably the receiver. It's got an antenna, on and off switch, says RF, so I'm guessing that'll tell us that we're connected. And then I read in the instructions that it takes AAA on the receiver and AA on the mic. And then the thing that I really like is this rubber mic to prevent it from rubber mic, I don't know what you would call it, non-slip, so it doesn't fall off your table. I think that's really creative. And now I'm going to turn on the microphone. The one thing I would say is that it's kind of hard to see. It's kind of hard to see the screen. So in daylight, if you don't have it all the way over, and you can't tell, like, it could be hard to tell if you got the mic on or not. I'm not too good at selfie videos, but I want to do a range test to see how well this microphone can pick up on distance. And right now, I'm about 10 yards out. Perfect. I'm just going to keep walking. I'm out at my parents' house right now. They got a huge land, and if we can go all the way to the street, that would be about 4 acres worth of coverage. So right now, I would guess that I'm about 20 yards away. So we're going to keep walking. No sound trouble so far. And honestly, this distance is probably the farthest I will ever be away from my receiver. So it's past my test already. But we're going to keep walking. We're going to stress test this bad boy. I'm out of shape, so you're going to hear me huffing and puffing in this video. Darn quarantine. So let's take a look back. I would guess that's about 50 yards. Never do I need this much range, but I can hear it popping a little bit. Going to keep walking. I'm straight out from the antenna, so we're going to keep walking. Test. Oh, I can hear it cracking, so let's turn back. That's a full football field, and I will never need that much, so I would say it passed. So I'm done with my test, unboxing it, my review. I say it's a great microphone. I really recommend it to friends and family, and especially any DJs out there that are looking for a good microphone to use when you're not wanting to spend that $500 for a microphone. The Fifine K025 is the perfect mic to get you through. I just used it DJing a little minor gig just now, and it was fantastic. This is the exact elements when I'm outside that I would be DJing in, and you know, it held up perfect. I'm excited to see how well it does down the road after hundreds and hundreds of gigs. You know, for 40 bucks, if it can even last half that, you get your money's worth. So thanks for watching. Derek Hayden, Crown DJs. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.